Okay, so this product that I ordered from AliExpress like 2-3 weeks ago just arrived, and well, it is supposed to be like a phone stand, but what I can see here is microphone stand, so I'm not really sure. I'm going to leave a screenshot of what I ordered, and yeah, let me just unbox it in this video, and if it is what I ordered, then expect a review in the future. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. Okay, I can see a phone holder, so yeah, this is what I actually ordered. So I feel like I'm okay now. Okay, so that's everything in the box. Just keep this on the side. Okay, so this is the main item. I'm not really sure what all these things are called. I am still learning. I am still like a newbie when it comes to video production. There's something flying around my room. So this is what you attach to the board, and then you attach your phone to it. I'm going to be making a full review when I start using it and understanding how it works, but yeah, for now this is what you get. This is going to be one of the stuff you attach to the phone, I believe, and this is the phone holder. Okay, so I think this one will be attached to the phone. Finally, we have this one that is attached to the table. Okay, so it doesn't go deep that much, like the distance is not that deep. So this is everything you get, and yeah, I'm going to be using it, and I'll tell you my experience maybe after a week or two of using it. Alright, ask me any questions you may have, and yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video. I don't know what is flying in my room, but I'll have to handle it. Anyways, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.